Best ways to save money. Money-saving tips include shopping smart, bundling services, canceling subscriptions, and more. You've been meaning to save more money. It's been on your mind for a while. But now, right now, feels like the time to get serious. To save a big chunk of cash before you really need it. When it comes to saving money, small changes can add up quickly. Here are some of the best ways to save money right away. 1. Automate transfers. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month, the money will accumulate over time without any additional work on your part. This technique can be especially useful when your savings accounts are dedicated to specific goals, such as establishing an emergency fund, going on a vacation, or building a down payment. You can also let apps like Digit or Capital do some of the work for you. After you sign up, they'll transfer small amounts from your checking account to a separate savings account for you. That way, you don't have to spend time or energy thinking about making a transfer. You can learn more about apps that automate savings and decide if they're a good fit for you. 2. Count your coins and bills. Another option is saving your change manually by setting it aside each night. After you have a sizable amount, you can deposit it directly into your savings and watch your account grow from there. In fact, when you want to watch your spending, it's a good idea to use cash instead of credit cards because it can be harder to part with physical money. While this strategy doesn't build savings overnight, it's a solid approach for slow and steady savings growth. 3. Prep for grocery shopping. A little work before you go to the grocery store can go a long way toward helping you save money on groceries. Check your pantry and make a shopping list to avoid impulse buying something you don't need. Learn how to get coupons and join loyalty programs to maximize your savings as you shop. In exchange for sharing your phone number or email address, your local store's loyalty program might offer additional discounts. If you use a cashback credit card, you could earn extra cash back on grocery purchases. Some cards offer as much as 5% or 6% cash back, but you'll want to be sure to pay off your bill each month to avoid paying interest and fees. 4. Minimize restaurant spending. One of the easiest expenses to cut when you want to save more is restaurant meals, since eating out tends to be pricier than cooking at home. If you do still want to eat at restaurants, try to reduce the frequency and take advantage of credit cards that reward restaurant spending. 5. Get discounts on entertainment. You can take advantage of free days at museums and national parks to save on entertainment costs. Your local community might offer free concerts and other in-person or virtual events. Check your local calendar before splurging on pricey tickets to private events. You can also ask about discounts for older adults, students, military members or veterans, first responders, and more. 6. Map out major purchases. You can save by timing your purchases of appliances, furniture, cars, electronics, and more according to annual sale periods. It's also worth confirming a deal is actually a deal by tracking prices over time. You can let tools do this step for you. The Camelizer browser extension tracks prices on Amazon and can alert you of price drops. The Honey browser extension pulls in coupon codes and checks for lower prices elsewhere. 7. Restrict online shopping. You can make it more difficult to shop online to stop spending money on things you may not need. Instead of saving your billing information, opt to input your shipping address and credit card number each time you order. You'll probably make fewer impulse purchases because of the extra work involved. You may even consider deleting any shopping apps from your phone for the time being. 8. Delay purchases with the 30-day rule. One way to avoid overspending is to give yourself a cooling-off period between the time an item catches your eye and when you actually make the purchase. If you're shopping online, consider putting the item in your shopping cart and then walking away until you've had more time to think it over. If 30 days seems like too long to wait, you can try shorter periods like a 24 or 48-hour delay. 9. Get creative with gifts. You can save money with affordable gift ideas like herb gardens and books, or go the do-it-yourself route. Baking cookies, creating art, or preparing someone dinner can demonstrate that you care just as much as making an expensive purchase, and perhaps even more so. You can also shower someone with the gift of your time by offering to take them to a local, free, museum or other event. To plan for costs, create a calendar for all the important gift-giving events for the year. Then create a savings bucket or sinking fund, specifically for gifts, and buy the items during major sale periods like Independence Day, Labor Day, or Black Friday. 10. Lower your car costs. Refinancing your auto loan and taking advantage of lower interest rates could save you considerably over the life of your loan. Shopping around for car insurance regularly can also help you cut costs compared with simply letting your current policy auto-renew. You can cut ongoing car maintenance costs by driving less, removing heavy items from your trunk and avoiding unnecessary rapid acceleration. 11. Reduce your gas usage. You can't control prices at the pump, but you can do several things to cut your gas usage and save money. Try using a gas app to pinch pennies when you do fill up. 12. Bundle cable and internet. You could lower your cable bill by as much as $40 per month by downsizing your cable package. And you could save more than $1,000 over 2 years by bundling your cable and internet service, depending on your carrier. Another option to consider is cutting cable or at least cutting some of your additional streaming services or premium subscriptions. 13. Switch your cell phone plan. Changing your plan is one way to save money on your cell phone bill, but it's not the only way. Signing up for autopay and paperless statements can save you an additional $5 to $10 per month, per line. Removing insurance from your plan could save you $80 to $300 per year, depending on your plan. We compared different cell phone plans to help you find the best match. 14. Reduce your electric bill. Big and small changes in your energy usage can help you save hundreds annually on your electric bill. Consider plugging any insulation leaks in your home, using smart power strips, swapping in more energy-efficient appliances and switching to a smart thermostat. Even incremental drops in your monthly electricity usage can add up to big savings in the long term. 15. Lower your student loan payments. Enrolling in income-driven repayment could lower your monthly payments to a manageable level since the amount you pay is tied to your earnings. Other options include refinancing, enrolling in autopay to trigger a discount and making extra payments so you can unload the debt faster, which cuts the overall interest you'll pay. 16. Cancel unnecessary subscriptions. You might be paying for subscriptions you no longer use or need. Reviewing your credit card or bank statement carefully can help you flag any recurring expenses you can eliminate. And avoid signing up for free trials that require payment information, or at least make a note or set a calendar reminder to cancel before the free period ends. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.